Hello, everyone! Mars fans, today we're diving into a really exciting topic. We're going to talk about Mars, how we might get there, Elon Musk's wild plans, SpaceX's Starship rocket, Tesla's Optimus robots, the fastest ways to reach the Red Planet, how to build colonies there, the idea of terraforming, and, most importantly, when all of this might actually happen. So get ready, fasten your seatbelts, we're going on a quick trip to Mars. Countdown time. 3, 2 dots, 1, and liftoff. 1. Why Mars? You might wonder, why Mars of all places? Because Mars is the most suitable planet for humans after Earth. It has frozen water, days that are similar in length to ours, and while the temperature is harsh, technology could make colonization possible. Going to Mars is also the first big step toward making humanity a multiplanetary species. Elon Musk has some bold ideas. One of his most famous ones? Dropping nuclear bombs on Mars's poles to warm the planet and change its climate.
Just warm it up. If you
With
want
a blanket or with what? How would you warm Mars up? You know, it's a
the
long
fast
way away from the sun.
There's the fast way and the slow way.
Okay. Give me the fast way.
The fast way is drop thermonuclear weapons over the poles.
But that's a topic for another video. Let's stay on track. Don't unbuckle just yet, because we're about to enter orbit. 2. Starship, the rocket of the future. Okay, you can relax now. We're in orbit. SpaceX's Starship is the main reason why Elon Musk is called the Mars guy. What makes it special? The old Saturn V rocket could carry up to 140 tons to low Earth orbit, LEO, but only once. It was single-use. Starship is reusable and can carry up to 200 tons to LEO. In some flights, it could even reach 250 tons. That's like carrying around 125 average-sized cars. Its full height? 142 meters, about the size of a 50-story building. It can fit 100 people inside, but Elon's dream is to carry up to 1,000 people in future versions. It even includes in-orbit refueling. One Starship waits in space to refuel another, so it can go farther with more cargo. The challenges? Still in testing phase, re-entry creates extreme heat. It's very hard to control. But Musk says all these problems will be solved. It's just a matter of time. The moon comes first. Before we go to Mars, Starship will be used in missions to the moon. With NASA's Artemis program, the goal isn't just to visit the moon, but to stay there. The moon has helium-3, frozen water, and other valuable resources. These are important for the space economy and even future energy needs on Earth. 4. How do we get to Mars? Mars isn't as close as the moon. A trip to Mars with Starship could take about 6 months, and the best launch window comes only once every 2 years, when the planets line up. During this time, the human body loses muscle and bone in low gravity. Space radiation is dangerous. To help with that, new technologies are being developed. One example is the Sunbird fusion rocket, by a company called Pulsar Fusion. It could cut the travel time from 6 months to just 3 months. But since it uses nuclear energy, it's risky. Chemical fuel is still needed to launch it into orbit. So the plan is to assemble it in space, possibly at the International Space Station, with extra shielding and protection. Despite the risks, planning and testing are in progress, and the goal is clear. 5. So, when? According to Elon Musk, the first Mars mission might happen in 2026. Even if it's delayed, 2028 seems like a realistic target for the first humans to step on Mars. But before humans, Tesla's Optimus robots will go. Around 50 robots are being prepared to help build the first bases and infrastructure.
We got the first Starships on Mars, gather critical data. So the first flights there we'll send with the Optimus robot. So we can go out there and explore and kind of prepare the way for humans. And that'll be a very cool image if we're able to achieve it by launching end of next year. It would actually technically arrive in 2027, but that would be an epic picture to see Optimus walking around on the surface of Mars. And then with the launching 2 years later, we'd be sending humans. Assuming the first missions are successful and they land successfully, we'd send humans on the next mission, and we'd really start building the infrastructure for Mars. So anyway, maybe just to be safe, we might just do
Final words.
two landing
Imagine
episodes
watching a
with,
live
Optimus,
stream as history is
and do the
made.
third one with humans. We'll see.
The first human steps onto Mars,
So
just like on the
that
moon when they
classic
said,
picture of the-
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
this time, that line will be said on Mars, and it will go down in history. Congratulations! Starship has landed on Mars. Take a look around, because bigger dreams are waiting ahead. A growing universe. Maybe even aliens. Maybe something smarter than us.